Hello everyone, welcome to Mimi's Home and Garden. This video is regarding blackout preparedness. If you look around the world today, there's a lot of chaos. There's some grids going down in Pakistan. So I wanted to shoot this quick video to show you how you can prepare for a grid down blackout situation. The first thing you need to consider is a heat source. If you don't have electricity, how are you going to heat your house? We actually have a very good fireplace and we use firewood. So today I purchased some more fire starters and some fire logs, and I'm stacking firewood on my front porch for easy access. This will help us to heat our living area. I made some fire starters out of pine cones with paraffin. If you don't have a fireplace, there are many other sources of heat. This happens to be my son's kerosene heater. You can purchase these at Lowe's, hardware stores, and even on Amazon. They use kerosene to heat up a small area, and it works very well. We've had this one for years in the family. I'm actually looking on Amazon now to purchase another one, so I have a secondary source of heat. You can get butane heaters that use the little propane bottles. But whatever you choose, always make sure you have a smoke detector and a carbon monoxide detector in your house when using these products. Again, always keep a good supply of blankets, fleece blankets in your home to help retain heat. The second item that you'll need to really stock up on, and I would suggest you get out and do that in the next couple of days, is some quick foods, some quick cook foods. I have a well-stocked pantry, but these are just some items I went out and bought just to have on hand. Soups, they're so easy to just pop open, heat them up, and you can have a good meal. So Progresso soups are good. Mac and cheese is good because all you have to do is heat the water, cook the macaroni, and squeeze out the cheese. Some chow mein meals is always good. Have lots of crackers. Water, of course, and your choice of drinks and beverages for the kids. I picked up some of these. These were 5 for $1 at my local grocery store. I'm sorry, 5 for $5. So they're $1 a piece. I've got soups, I've got rice mixes, and I've got potatoes. And the reason I picked these is because all you need to do is add water. So that's really a good idea to have this type of food on hand. Of course, peanut butter crackers, a big bag of rice. The rice was already sold out in the rice section. I went over to the Hispanic section and bought a bag of rice. I canned hamburger meat, so if you wanted a good meal for your family, just a jar of spaghetti sauce and some hamburger, heat it up, makes a quick supper with some pasta. I also have cornmeal mix, which I use to make some fried up cornbread to go with the meal. Peanut butter and jelly is always good to have on hand. The Progresso soup, they had this beef pot roast, so if you cook a pot of rice, you heat this and serve it over it, you've got a really quick and good meal. Also, the canned hams that you can buy at the grocery store are good for slicing up and heating in a saucepan, and serve that with some mac and cheese. This deluxe portable gas stove was $18.99 on Amazon, and it is a quick way that you can heat up a meal in your home. These say to use outside, but as quickly as they heat up and cook, you could use this inside. So I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how this works using the gas bottles. It's very easy. In under 2 minutes. I'll set the timer and I'll show you how quickly we were able to assemble this to heat up some food. So you just take it out of the case, and I purchased this on Amazon. I'll leave a link below where you can get yours. You open up the fuel bin, turn it over to make a pot grate. Take the lid off your canned gas, and then just very easily slip that into place. Lock it down, close the lid, and then cut it on. That's very easy. And then a flame comes up and you can start cooking immediately. So I had a pot of water. Look at that. Under a minute we were able to put that all together. Heating up a pot of water in less than 3 minutes, it came to a nice boil. These are good. Also, a propane grill outside or the Camp Chef cooking stove top that's propane. We have that for cooking. But this is good if the weather's really bad and you just want to heat up an easy meal. These work great. So look in your camping section at Walmart or Lowe's or hardware stores or Amazon and pick up a nice quick camping stove that you can use to heat up some meals. The next item is lighting, and this is very important for a blackout. I have candles from the Dollar Tree that are in the glass jars. I have mini oil lamps and oil that you can pick up at Walmart. Make sure you also get extra wicks. These are very inexpensive and these work great when the power's out. We use these all the time during hurricanes and they work fine. You do need to watch small children around these and have a good fire extinguisher in your home. I also picked up some more lighters. I do have matches. We have a couple of big flashlights, so I bought extra batteries today, and then I have a flashlight that I carry in my purse. So make sure you have adequate ways of lighting in the dark. The next item that I really feel like you should be checking is your medications. If you have prescription medications, go ahead and get those filled. Make sure you have your children, if they have asthma, you have inhalers, and just any extra medicine that you need for your family. I've got pain meds here. Anti-diarrheal medicine is very important. And of course, cough and cold medications are good. And Benadryl allergy meds are always great to have on hand. So make sure you've got your medicine stocked in case of a power down and you can't get to the store. And the last thing for beginners is to make sure you have plenty of water. You need water for flushing your toilets, you need water to drink, you need water to cook with. I picked up this nice container at Walmart in the camping section, and I'll fill that with water. I also fill the bathtub to use to flush with toilets. So hopefully this will help out anyone that's a beginner and doesn't know where to start. This is a great start, and I would suggest looking at all the things in the world that you get started right now. Thank you and stay safe.